How to fix Wi-Fi disconnects frequently. It just search for U networks. Connections in your search box. Now click on View Network Connections. Now right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter. And click on Properties, and then now click on Configures. Now click on Power Management tab. Now uncheck this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device. To save power, click on OK. Now, if this does not get fixed, let's move to method 2. Just click on the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar. Now click on this forward arrow. And now right-click on your Wi-Fi and click on Properties. And now choose the network as Private Network. If it is public, just choose it as Private Network. Now, if this also does not get fixed, let's move to method 3. Right-click on your Wi-Fi. Again, click on Properties. Click on Configure and click on Advanced tab. You have to, if you can find it, or 2.11 and mode. Just choose Disable and click on OK. Now, if this also does not work, just search Services. And the search box, and now locate WLAN Auto Config Service. Double-click on it and choose Starter Type as Automatic. If it's not running, click on Start. Click on Apply and click on OK. Hope this helps.